Hello everyone, my name is Saji, and in the last video I told you some important things you should know before travel to Iran. In this video I tell you another 5 important things. Number 1, tipping. Tipping in Iran is not mandatory, but when someone carry your luggage, for example bellboys at hotel or some restaurants, they expect you to give a tip for them, but in general tipping in Iran is not mandatory, and everyone for its service has a salary, so do not worry about this, and you shouldn't pay tip everywhere. Number 2, alcoholic drink. Alcoholic drinks in Iran is completely illegal. Both carrying and drinking is illegal. Despite some restaurants and some hotels, they serve alcoholic drinks, which is illegal, but Iran has very strict rules about alcoholic drinks, so you should consider that. Number 3, HIJAB, or what should we wear in Iran. As you know, Iran has religious-based rules, and in Islam, women should wear their head except the face. They should wear the hair, and also they should wear the body. So when you travel to Iran, for ladies, you should wear a scarf or shawl to cover your hair, and also you should have a clothes that cover all of your body. So, and for men, you can wear t-shirts or what you want, only short pants. It's not common in Iran. It's not illegal, but it's not common in Iran. It's the people consider that an impolite thing. So, except the seashores and the beaches, you can't wear short pants in Iran. Okay, number 4, public transportation. If you travel by yourself to Iran, it's very important to know about the public transportation in Iran. Iran has a very good public transportation. Not very good, but good. The trains are good, planes good, roads good, and you can travel inside Iran by the domestic airports, daily flights from Tehran to, for example, Mashhad, Shiraz, Isfahan, Tabriz, or you can take a bus at bus terminals, and you can travel with train. And inside the cities, the big cities has a subway system. For example, Tehran, Shiraz, Tabriz, Isfahan, which they have English signs as well. So it's completely easy to use metro or buses in Iran. And also you can take taxis, and we have some applications in Iran like Uber, but it's completely in Farsi. It's internet based and it's in Farsi. The best way, if you don't have a tour guide or a private car for transportation, use buses or flights or train in Iran. All options are available to use. Number 5, very important things recently is where can we take photos or recording a video, or where we can't. Well, in Iran has many military areas, so when you are traveling on the roads or in the cities, be careful, do not take a photo or record a video from a place which is an embassy or a military area, a nuclear area, and some, for example, power plants, even an oil company. It's very clear. And for heli shots or drones, you should take a permission for that. You can't take photos or recorded video with drones and heli shots. You know, especially it's forbidden in historical areas, monuments, or a special attraction inside cities. You should be very careful about that. Okay, I hope all these points helps you to have a better decision when you want to travel to Iran. And if you have any question about this, or if you have any question about other things about traveling to Iran, you can leave a comment for us, and you will be in touch and answer rapidly. Cheers.